Ahoy, this is Zdenka. Today's video is going to start a series of videos I'm going to be filming next 3 months to take advantage of the outdoor season, which is pretty short here in Canada. We will be doing a lot of filming tutorials. I'll take you behind the scenes, filming with smartphones, regular cameras, with small gimbals, large gimbals, action cameras, all that. And I will also do some photography sessions. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be filming with a smartphone and a gimbal. All those tips will apply to any gimbal, but for those wondering, I'm using today iPhone 12 Pro and DJI OM4. In this video, we are going to create 2 cinematic sequences, one as a beginner, and the second one we will correct all mistakes beginner would do. Let's do more advanced. Well, let's say I like this place. This is Lake Ontario, and I like the marina over there. I like a little bit of the lighthouse and the lake. So I'm going to start filming in 24 frames per second in 4K, and the mode I have selected in my gimbal is just the default mode, all follow mode, because I'm quite unsure which modes to really use. So I'm going to start with showing just a nice lake, and it's taking a long time, so I'm just gonna go a little bit faster. And now I realize that I actually like that marina over there, so I'm gonna select the telephoto lens and I'm going to show off a little bit of the marina. And actually I'll do a little bit of a let's zoom in a shot and do ultra wide shot. And now I moved to a different spot because I kind of like this path and I like the water here with the trees and all that. So I'm just gonna walk around and I'm gonna try to film a little bit more of this. So I'm just gonna go straight, and I really like the trees over here, so I'm gonna film that a little bit. Maybe these rocks are very cool. I'll just keep going because, you know, the video is stabilized. Looks pretty good. I think I've got enough of clips, so let's just cut it together and play this B-roll. Well, the video was okay, but it didn't lure me in. I didn't feel connected there. So let's do it all over again, a little bit differently though. Now, everybody will have different style, everybody will have a little bit different signature to their videos. It is all about the ideas. It's all about choosing the right angles, choosing the right views, and finally, how to edit the final B-roll together. I'm going to film at higher frame rate, which is 60 frames per second, because I might want to slow down some of the parts of the video. I don't want to shoot everything in slow motion, only slow down the clips when it makes sense. Now, I'm gonna be filming in automatic mode in DJI mode because today is just advanced video, is not a pro video that's gonna be in the future down the road. But right now, again, it's gonna be automatic, and the white balance will stay automatic as well, because if you film in automatic mode in DJI mode, you are not able to switch white balance, which is too bad. One thing beginners like to do is film everything from the same eye level. They don't like to move much. They rarely move. I was moving only a little bit. So now let's change that. Let's actually do a lot of movement and change perspective. Let's not shoot everything in eye level. Let's go down, let's go high, let's look right and left and see how this location can look from different angles. I'm going to start with just walking away because I see this beautiful path. Right now I'm choosing the standard lens and I'm gonna go from the ground up. So I'm choosing to all follow mode because I want the gimbal to react kind of slowly as I'm lifting it up. So I'm going to start from the ground, and if I'm slowly bringing the phone up, I'm revealing the whole location. In the next shot, I really like the railing, so I'm just gonna follow that very closely. For this one, I'm selecting tilt follow mode because I don't want the tilt to go up, I'm going forward. And I will go with ultra wide angle lens. I want to continue the movement, so I'm just gonna go sideways here between those trees. As you most likely noticed, I'm not shooting everything at once. I'm not doing one long take. I'm actually dividing the sections into small different takes, so when I cut them together, it will have the more impact. Now, I'm moving on. I'm gonna start doing a little bit of the details because I feel like I have a lot of movement going on and I need to get much closer, show off particular objects, particular parts. First close-up shot will be the obvious. There's a lot of trees here, so let's just do the crown. I want to get as close as possible. And what I'm doing here, I'm just aiming the camera straight up, just slowly going down. And sideways. Another detail shot can be of this little object right here. So again, I'm going to be selecting the telephoto lens for that. And obviously, again, you want to log on the object to make sure it is in focus. As I do have enough of this location, I want to show it from different angle. I want to go there. So I need to transition going away from this place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to focus on these trees there, tree line, and then just go down to the ground very quickly. On the next location, I'm gonna go from the ground up. So let's do that. And for this one, I do have actually follow mode because until now I had tilt lock, which I don't want. I'm going to choose telephoto lens. This will help me to go down faster. So now I moved to the second place and I'm gonna continue the transition. I'm gonna go from the ground up. Again, the telephoto lens is selected to ensure that I get a quick whip. I'm going to try to get some cool shot here, just going through the seats forward. For this one, I'm gonna try to slide from side to side, the ultra wide angle lens. And I'm gonna go even lower, see the view from there. And I'm going to get a few more last shots. It's gonna be close up of this lighthouse as I'm kind of walking towards it. So I'm gonna select tilt follow mode. And then I'm gonna do just a little round around, a little circle around of the red top. So locking the exposure, locking the focus, and slowly walking forward. For this one, I need to do follow mode. I walked around a little bit some more and I found different angle to show this location off, just to give it a little bit different perspective. So on this one, what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna go from top to the ground, show off the waves. Let's show off the waves a little bit. So I'm gonna flip the phone upside down. I'm gonna do very low shot of the waves. Oops. And I have water in my shoe. And now I think that I have just enough of shots, so let's edit it together and let's play the final B-roll. Well, hit the thumbs up if you liked today's video and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below and I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Ciao, ahoy.